Okay, back to the story. Now what we learn is, we learn how to create the return duct, isn't it? Okay, so what we'll do, let's keep one return here. Let's say we keep one return terminal. Click create similar. Call your friend return. Where is he? Hmm. 2600. Okay, isn't it? Let's keep him somewhere here. Doesn't make a difference. If we say keep here, keep here. Okay. What we'll do now? You must be careful now, because see, this is at offset 3200. Okay, and this is at 2600. Either we go below him or we go above him. If you see the elevation view, section view, see, this is going like this, isn't it? And then go to fine, isn't it? So we either go above him, we have a lot of space, isn't it? This is level 2. Okay, we can go either like this, go return and come back. Let's see. So what we'll do is just close all these. So many views becoming confusion, isn't it? Go to ceiling 1. Okay, let's just make one, let's say U-turn, isn't it? No space, no space. Isn't it? Nudge him down. Enough space is there. Okay, good. Now what you'll do, right click, draw duct. So this much you don't have problem. Now when you come here, you will become clash, isn't it? Because it's the same offset. 3200, this is also 3200. One option would be, instead of going from so near, let me just go a bit back. We go above him, isn't it? Okay, right click, draw duct. Now instead of 3200, let's make it 3600. Okay, and then come here, he goes above him, and again go to 3200 and say thank you for your help, isn't it? Any comments? Yeah, this much if we can go. Okay, no space. Okay, doesn't matter, but let's see what we're doing. Is it correct or wrong? Isn't it? This is perfect. No interface. We'll have to see from the other view, other side. No headache, isn't it? If you have confusion, no, what we'll do is something like this. Have a look. Perfect. Yeah, perfect it is. There is no interference anywhere, isn't it? Perfect. We can either move it down or we can create flex duct, isn't it? See, I tell you one thing. Don't make it so complicated. We can move this guy even down. Okay, AL. draw flex duct. Simply he can't create that. Okay, no problem. Listen, what's happening here? I tell you what's the story here. Sorry. No space. Then 200. Okay, good. Then there is no space. 2000. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Generate. Okay, hope it's clear now. Connected. This is just a Revit error. Okay, it is connected. If it is not connected, it will not have this. You press a tab, isn't it? Okay, coming back to the same story. What you can do is do something like this. Okay, and just remove this connection, first connection. You know what I'm thinking, isn't it? Even you can do even. How about even selecting the duct? Listen. Copy. Okay, don't take tension. Okay. Similarly, you can do for the other ones, isn't it? One return you need to have, and then that's it. Okay, let's do it. If you want to continue, you can continue like this, and then that is also possible. Come up down directly. No, not making reducer again, reducer again, reduce. Look at this design. Again, you need to come down. Why? Be on that level, isn't it? A simple reducer transition you'll have to use. We're paying for it. Maybe. Okay, we could have started a bit earlier instead of having this drama here. Earlier in the sense, just push this a bit more this side. I hope it's clear now. Okay. Then you get the picture. Easy, isn't it? It's easy, very easy. Who told Revit is it difficult? True, it seems. Okay. No space. Okay, I hope it's clear now. We did the bottom one, no? Yeah. So what we can do is we can just copy the same thing on top, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. The class was a very bit small one, but only for the HVAC. Okay. Anyway, so this is the way airflow will be coming to System Inspector. Inspect. See, this is the way it flows. See, airflow goes down, isn't it? Into your AHU, VAV. Okay. This will be used for duct sizing. I hope it is clear now. Anyway, hope today's class was enjoyable. Hope you learned something. That's the main thing, isn't it? This is the best way, isn't it? Just keep right and make it done. Why you want to make another transition, isn't it? Okay. Anyway, take care, and I think that's it.